Hello. Welcome to my live transmission on HFX. Welcome. We are live right now on HFX, and we just want to do an introduction of the award-winning HFX Swipe App. HFX Swipe App is an award-winning app that, oh my God, you've got to get the HFX app. The HFX app is available right now. It's an IML Academy app. HFX Swipe app is live right now in Android phone, and it's also live on iPhone. So you've got to go get the HFX app right now, because with that you can trade HFX trades in and out of the bag, killing it anywhere you want. My name is Loveday, and I just want to welcome you to the introduction of the HFX app. Right now, we had a HFX app alert. This alert came in by 6 a.m., 6:37 a.m. Here you can see the currency pair that we are trading. Listen, as an introduction, in case you don't know about HFX, HFX is the same thing you call binary option. And binary option, you only need to press or click buy or sell, 1 or 0. So what do we know about HFX? HFX is high frequency. You can call it high frequency currency if you want to call it that, but it's a high frequency trade, high frequency forex. Okay, now what this app means is that you only get to call or put. By call, I mean you only get to click the buttons for buy or sell, binary, 1 or 0, buy or sell. Now let me just give you a little overview of this app. This app comes in this beautiful interface. The interface is very wonderfully sweet. Now you can search here for any of the symbols. You can search for any of the indicators. You can search for the time and date this comes. Okay. Now here you select whoever you want to select. Okay. Let's say we want to select that wonderful Daniel Lopez that just made me my bag this morning. These are the trades by Daniel Lopez. You can search and select 1 day ago, all right, and then we search. It's gonna bring all the trades that Daniel Lopez has called, the time it was called, and also now what next you want to do here. You want to go down here to select your language. Okay, I am an English baby, so I'm gonna select the English. All right, select the category, but for now we are selecting the English. The reason for this is when the videos comes, you can listen to the videos. This is work in progress. Now, this is a fantastic one, the HFX chat room. This is where the educators put in the chat that they use to call out the trades. Now we go to the chat room. This is where you're going to see any of the chats. Okay, you can be able to read the chats. Again, the next thing we can do here is we go straight to the HFX updates and result. Here the educators give us the updates. You know, when they call a trade and it hits, then they come back and give us the updates. You can see the updates are given. So you are 100% in tune with what is going on. All right. Now, if you get your HFX app, the first thing you need to go to is go to the settings. Once you download it, open it, log in with your username and password, you go to the settings. Now, I want you to do two things, okay? Though this comes by default, but then you need to cross-check to make sure that these are all on in your HFX Swipe Trade app. You put on the email subscription if you want the whole notification to come directly into your email inbox, or you put on the phone notification. This is the one you need to do because you're carrying your phone in your hand and you need that notification when that trade comes in for you to be notified, so that you can be able to go in and out and bag the bag and take the bag and, you know, hit the shops. So this is where you get the notifications. Now we're going back to the front page. of this fantastic app. When the trade idea comes, all you need to do is what? This is the new trade idea that comes up. Click on this, then it opens. Now it's telling you the time it came. Okay, this is the time it came, and now it's telling you the asset you need to look at. All right, now it's telling you the order type is a call, okay, which is the same thing as buying. It's telling you who called it. Now it's giving you the price, and remember, in HFX we are only looking at the three last digits at the back. Okay, it's telling you expiration time, tells you to put the fixed time on, and telling you the time frame. All right, now let's go in here and see what happened. Here you've got to choose the asset. You got to go here, scroll up and down. We're looking for, this is a trade for Euro USD. All right, Euro USD is a trade for Euro USD. So we have to go down here. Remember, we can trade currencies, we can trade commodities, we can trade cryptocurrencies, and we can trade stock. But because of the HFX app that we're using, we are only concentrating on the currencies. Then we go here, we look at that Euro USD. And what does it say around here? It says we should call. All right, so, and it's giving us the price for 835. First of all, you go up here to the time and you select the 3 minutes. It tells you the expiration time is 3 minutes. And if you see something else right now, it tells you that you've got to put the fixed time on. Okay, so here, if you are using this, if you are using the fixed time on, you click on it and make sure that this is ticked. That means that the fixed time is on. Now, the question you're going to ask me is, when should I take this call? When should I take this call? Should I take it immediately? And I say yes, if you got it by 6:37, between 6:37 and 6:45, maybe that has gone. So what you need to do is just make sure that the moment you get that, you go into it. But I'm going to do a test right now, okay? So what you do is, first of all, remember, it is vital that you go to your account, okay? Once you get into your account, change this to whatever amount that you're daily compounding. You know how much you're supposed to compound for the day. Let's say, for instance, you're supposed to get £10 today. Then what you need to do is divide it into 2 or 3 trades, okay? Let me go with £5 today, okay? Now, Euro USD entry price is 835. So we're looking for the price behind here, okay? We're looking for the price behind here. And it's a call, which means if we're in 835, which is up somewhere here, what we need to do is to make sure that you click when it is 835 or very much below. The reason is this: the market changes. So if you enter at a very low price, it takes you up. And when you're in deep profit, you will enjoy it. But because this trade has gone, the time now is 10 a.m. and we are looking at a trade that came around 6 a.m. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go into the currency strength meter and see the euro and the USD. Euro and USD is just the same strength, okay? It's just the same strength. So even if we entered into this trade, it's going to be, it's going to be 50-50. So what am I going to do right now? What am I going to do? I am going to chill and let this ride out. Okay. So this is an introduction to how to use the Swipe Trade app. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've not gotten your Swipe Trade app, if you are not in HFX, if you're a member of the community and you're not in HFX Trade, I beg you. You can wake up in the morning and make your bag. You can wake up in the morning and your bag is done. It's done. You finish for the day. So what you have to do is just go get the HFX. Get the HFX. Put the HFX as part of your subscription. All right, put the HFX as part of your subscription, and you will never regret it, because you wake up in the morning and you make your bag. If you make your bag when you wake up in the morning, I'm just going to go in blindly with this trade, just to give you an example how to place a trade. All right, so I've placed a trade right now on 817, and within 3 minutes, what I'm looking for is just very simple. Within 3 minutes, I want this to be above where I placed the trade. So within 3 minutes, if this is above, I am going to win the trade. But if within 3 minutes it is below, then I am going to have what we call a lesson. Okay, I'm going to have what we call a lesson. But I am not hoping to have a lesson. That is why I am not hoping that this is going to be a lesson. I'm hoping that this is going to be a win-win trade. All right. So, as you can see right now, the price is still up. The price is still up, dancing. I'm doing this for the next 3 minutes. Next 3 minutes. If this still hangs up there, then I'm going to win the trade live with you. All right. So I don't know what you want to do right now. HFX app is bare, but this trade is not from the HFX app. This trade is just the one I entered blindly, just to show you how to place a trade on this app. And I tell you, this is one of the best things that ever happened to you, because you just make money in minutes. We make money in minutes. Money in minutes. This is the way to make money in minutes. So what are you waiting for? What exactly are you waiting for? Make money in minutes. That is the way life is supposed to be. You make your money in minutes. So we are waiting for the trade to hit what we call how many minutes we're in now? Now you can see right here, this is telling you the assets that you entered, giving you the ID of the asset that you enter. The asset type, we are in a trade of Euro USD, and this is a strike point, which is where I entered the trade, and I entered as a buy. Okay, it gives us the expiration time, tells us the type of trade that we took, then it tells us the time we started, the expiration time when this is going to end, then the order size and the payout side. Now if you watch here, Euro USD is paying 73%, which means my order size is $5. Okay, and my profit is gonna be $3.65 on top of that. So I'm gonna gain $3.65 if I win this, which is the payout of $8.60. Okay, this is not an income claim, but what we're doing right now is to show you how to place a trade on here and win the trade happily. You can make your bag. If you can see this green line signifies that that is where the trade is gonna end. Okay, let me see if that's the truth. Yeah, baby, we made it live right now. We made a bag. This is to show you how it is done. We just made a bag right now. Okay, we just made a bag that right now. This is to tell you, you can make that money you can make the wealth that you have been paid in a week. You can make it just in 2 seconds. Okay, this is a 3 minutes trade that I took, and my fixed time was on, meaning that this is pure 3 minutes. So thank you once again for watching. Thank you for joining me. If you are still watching, I say thank you and may God bless you. I want you right now, if you don't know what HFX is, just drop a line. Just drop a line. All right, just drop a line, because with this app you're gonna be in and out of the bag and you will enjoy trading. So if you don't know what HFX is, all you need to do is just drop a line and tell me you don't know what HFX is. Okay, I will guide you on how to do this. But if you are in the family already and you did not understand it, reach out. Reach out, and somebody is gonna help you to understand how to take a trade from the HFX app. And remember, HFX Swipe app, HFX Swipes app is the bomb. Is the bomb. Is the bomb, baby. All right, my name is Loveday once again. I want to thank you for staying tuned with me. See you at the top, because the bottom is already filled up, and we want you to be at the top. God bless you once again. Have a blessed, wonderful day. My name is